To access the free app called Saturate, you're going to type in www.saturateapp.com. As I mentioned, it's going to require that you log in with your Twitter login. Unfortunately, there's no way around this, so if you want to use this app, you'll need to get a Twitter login or use the one that you have. So I'm here on my home page. And as you can see, this is what you see when you come in, and I created a free notebook. So I'm opening that up, and then you'll see it. I'll click on Pages here. Pages are the transcripts that I've entered in. So this is a transcript of a interview that I did with middle school students and we were investigating the tensions between Mexican students and Armenian students. So we looked through this list, and we already created our coding categories, and they were reasons conflicts exist, impact of tensions on the student experience and community, and perceptions of the school's effectiveness. So what you would do is enter in your transcripts, and then as you're reading it, you're thinking, okay, what themes do I see here? What's going on? And so then what you do is you would click on a sentence, and then you would code it. So you would say, for instance, reasons why conflict exists. And so it marks that as being part of that particular theme. And then at the bottom you can see all of the themes that are present in this particular transcript. And then when you go to sort of summarize your findings, you can click on coding, and it then organizes your information based specifically on the codes. Now I only am showing you one example. I honestly haven't used Saturate because I prefer color coding, which is what I'll show you next, but I am going to be using it for an upcoming research project I'm doing with student leadership identity development because it's really good for multiple researchers to be able to use it. Because you can see your codes and another person's codes at the same time. So if you'll see, if I click on that, it takes me back to the transcript, and it highlighted here that particular theme and where it's present in this transcript. So there you have it as a really brief introduction into Saturate. So if you thought that this sounds like something you'd want to use, then feel free to do so in the future.